Searching for the best Markdown editor to use in writing during 2026. In this video, we're going to compare Typora and Obsidian, two of the best note-taking and writing software. First, let's take a look at Typora. Typora is an intuitive Markdown editor that comes with a live preview displaying your content on the go. Typora is the best option for writers that love simplicity. Typora features customizable themes, LaTeX for formulas, and supports exports in PDF, Word, and other formats. Typora is available for multiple platforms and even has a mobile version along with other great collaboration features. Typora is an excellent choice for people who need an editor that makes writing easy by allowing real-time markdown editing. Hence, it's suitable for writing articles and papers. On the other hand, we have Obsidian. Obsidian is an awesome tool for note-taking and connecting notes, ideal for creating knowledge bases and conducting research. Notes are stored locally as plain text files featuring backlinks, a graph visualization of links between notes, and a huge ecosystem of over 4,000 plugins created by the community. It works offline, offers an application for iOS and Android, and tends to be clumsy for straightforward note taking tasks. However, it requires extensive plugins to provide useful functionality. Obsidian suits well those engaged in research and working on complex projects. Thanks to bidirectional linking, graph visualization, and plugins diversity, it helps turn separate notes into one vast, searchable, and infinitely extensible second brain. The best thing about Obsidian is that it is entirely free for individuals and comes packed with all features. So, which one should you choose? Typora is clearly the superior choice when you only need to type texts, whereas Obsidian is the better choice for note taking. Typora excels at writing text through its live Markdown preview feature, while Obsidian is superior for creating a database of information due to its powerful linking features and advanced customization options. If you like writing cleanly and want a distraction free experience when typing texts, then Typora is clearly the right choice for you. However, if you need to link your notes and create your own knowledge graph, then Obsidian is definitely your best choice. Share your experiences below on what you prefer in the comments section.